Unlock a world of secure and seamless online transactions by integrating Stripe with your WooCommerce store. First, let's get the Stripe plugin installed. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then add new search for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway and click Install Now, followed by Activate. Now access your WooCommerce settings, locate the Payments tab, and you'll see Stripe listed. Click on Manage to begin the setup. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to connect your Stripe account. If you don't have one, visit Stripe's website to create an account. It's a straightforward process. Once your Stripe account is set up, you'll find your API keys, specifically the secret key and publishable key. Copy these and paste them into the corresponding fields in your WooCommerce Stripe settings. For ultimate security, it's a good practice to enable test mode initially. This allows you to make test transactions without actually processing real money. You can also customize various aspects, like deciding which card brands to accept, whether to display card logos, and even setting up direct charge options for a more streamlined checkout experience. With these steps, your Stripe payment gateway is now integrated. Customers can enjoy a secure and familiar checkout process directly within your WooCommerce store, ensuring smooth and reliable transactions.